Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today we're gonna talk about the most used song on the planet, probably. Happy Birthday. I created a really cool backing track, a rock version for this really iconic tune, which everybody knows. And this is how it's gonna sound. I'm gonna show you how to play it, how you play a rhythm guitar, and also and give you an idea to make an improvisation if you wanna go wild on your birthday. And so on. So we're going to learn how to play the melody, how to play rhythm guitar, and a little bit some ideas how to make an improvisation. The first thing before we get into details is the measure. It's 3/4, so it's 1, 2, 3. So it's a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, which normally doesn't come with rock, with rock or rock guitar. So that's the first challenge, to get this waltz feeling on 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's the first thing you need to work on and get a feeling for the 3/4 measure. But what really helps if you make the orientation on the melody itself. So now let's check out the melody, then the chords, and then the improvisation. Yo, we're making this in the key of C major. It's probably, and we're using this is based in this pattern here, but you don't really need to know the pattern, but I'm going to show you the pattern which I'm using. It's this one here. So it's a C major pattern here, 3-note per string, but you can also view it inside the major C major pentatonics. And then you add the additional notes which are missing. And this is how the melody goes. It sounds, as already said, it's a 3/4 measure. You can 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So dum, dum. 1, 2, 3, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See? So that's how you count the 3/4 measure. So it starts on count 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then again 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's a bit hard to memorize if you're not used to 3/4, but as I said, everybody knows the melody, so it's probably not such a brainer. And then 3, 3, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1. That was not correct somehow. Let me think about this. But however, you just go with the melody and you start on count 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. This starts on 3, 1. So this note is a bit longer, and then 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then it starts all over again. So let's try with the backing track. And it's so 1, 2, 1. Yo, works pretty well. Good. Now the chords. I decided to make it as a shuffle. It's kind of more happy birthday like. So we're using the chords C5, G5 and F5. So these three chords. So we have the best thing to play the chords. First you practice to just play the chords 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. That way you make the 3/4 measure. You just need to count it through, and then try to adapt the chords to the melody. So 1, 2, 3, da ga da da da, and then it goes to G. 1, da ga da ga da ga da da. And what I do, I follow the melody, the rhythm of the melody with the chords. So when you play the chords, try to sing the melody at least inside. You don't need to sing it loud. I won't sing it loud. Well, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. So you can follow the rhythm of the melody. So let me do this quick. So happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. So you just follow with the chords, and as you saw, you have C, D, and F, and that's probably the best way to learn it. I mean, I wrote it down for you if it's too complicated to understand. The tabs will going to be available as Guitar Pro in the HPCrazy guitar, as well as this cool backing track. So it's up to you, but you can also do it by just singing the melodies and following the chords and doing okay, that works pretty well. Now if you want to work with the backing track and make it cooler on your birthday and add a little solo, the best thing you can do there is just go along with the melody, and 3/4 is really unusual, so you probably have a little bit problems, but the best is and what I do sorry is to just play the blues pentatonics, the major pentatonics with the blue note, and also that gives you the bluesy touch. I'm gonna show you, but you also lean a little bit on the melody. But it works pretty well. You just follow a little bit the vibe and try to memorize the melody, and then you're pretty much good to go. And then it gives you the whole thing, and then you can proceed and do a really cool. First play the melody, play a little improvisation, end up with the melody, and then you're the perfect party cracker. You guys, that was Happy Birthday as a rock guitar version. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to have this cool backing track, it's professionally produced. I'm doing that professionally, so you can download it in the HPCrazy guitar recommend. There you also find the guitar profiles plus the PDF of the tabs of the rhythm guitar and the melody, and then you can rock your next birthday party, or you can come as a surprise guest on any birthday party and play a little bit different version of the most played song in the world, which is Happy Birthday. Yo, that's all me and Dr. Ping are having to say. If you love my channel or our channel, please share it to the world. Share to people that me and Dr. Pink are existing for the guitar community. That would be really useful. Please become a premium member in order to support the work which we are doing for the community, and please also start becoming an active member of the community in the HPCrazy guitar community. See you guys.